So the next component worthy of an explanation is of course the vibration sensor or piezo speaker that we use as an output device in this case, and it's a very useful sensor for building door chimes or just giving general feedback in terms of what's going on, good for beepers and the like. So to demonstrate this output sensor, we're going to plug this one into, say, let's plug it into D2 for this one. Over to the scripting side, on port D2 we're going to specify an output of piezo buzzer, and quite simply, when the script starts up, we want to generate a noise at 220 Hertz for 1000 milliseconds. So you can always take a look at this field over here to see which parameters you need to specify on the right hand side. And then of course, hovering over these fields, you get an idea of what the acceptable values are that you can input in here. So 220 Hertz and 1000 milliseconds. And of course, like always, we need to save our script first, so let's just call it buzz. We compile it, and if we click run, it's going to make this terrible noise, sounds like a broken microwave or something. But it gives you a fair understanding of, what the piezo speaker is supposed to do. Of course, you can play around with it quite a bit. I mean, if you drop the frequency down to 1 and you save, compile, run script, then it turns out to be something more than, like your grandfather's beeper than a broken microwave. So, feel free to play around with these variables and see what kind of chimes or, interesting melodies you can put together. Once again, a little bit more of an interactive example is just to include a timer, and we're going to declare our timer top side for 5 seconds, and we want on every timer trigger to generate a noise of, let's say, 2200 Hertz, and we only want it for half a second. Overwrite our script, compile and run, and as you can expect, after every 5 seconds the buzzer will go buzz. And that's it. Simple output device that you can use for some audio feedback in your application.